Welcome to this walkthrough of Mago Pro, the platform that makes wireless presenting, video conferencing, and collaboration simple and seamless. Step by step, we'll guide you from the very first activation to advanced settings, showing how Mago adapts to different meeting scenarios and needs. Let's get started. Make sure your system is ready. Visit kb.mago.io to access our knowledge base. Check the hardware and software requirements to confirm your device is compatible. Review the network requirements to ensure a smooth and secure experience. Follow the prerequisite checklist to complete all the necessary steps before installation. Getting started is quick and simple. Go to admin.mago.io. Sign in with your Microsoft, Google, Apple account, or create a new Mago account. Go to the download section, then click the download button to get the latest version. You can also download the Mago controller app. Once installed, you have to activate the product. Use a mouse and keyboard to configure the connection, or use a mobile or laptop following the on-screen instructions. To activate, either scan the QR code or go to admin.mago.io/activate and enter the 6-digit code displayed on your device. Click on Start Trial. Let's activate the Mago Pro trial. Make sure your software is up to date. Choose a username and an optional password for your device. Select your preferred language and time zone. The Appearance section lets you customize details such as device name that appears on screen. Once the setup is complete, it is ready to use. To start a meeting right away from your laptop, connect to the room via Mago Link with the 6-digit code shown on screen. From there, you can join calls by entering the meeting ID and password for Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, or Webex. You can also connect your Microsoft 365 or Google Calendar to view and start your scheduled meetings right from the web. For the full one-tap join experience and to host meetings from the room itself, connect a calendar to the room. Open the room settings from the menu. Go to Calendar and select your preferred provider. Follow the process to connect the calendar services. You can enable multiple providers, including Mago Meet, which lets you start instant meetings directly from the room without a scheduled call. If you connect a Microsoft 365 calendar, Microsoft Teams becomes available automatically. Otherwise, choose and configure the service that best fits your needs. Remember to give the room a name so it can easily be identified and invited to meetings. Save and close the settings. Your Mago Pro room is now ready with full calendar integration. You have now seen how to activate your trial, configure Mago Pro, and explore the main features that make meetings easier and more collaborative. For more details, tutorials, and resources, visit mago.io. Thank you for watching.